Are you or someone you know experiencing the frustrating and sometimes embarrassing symptoms of erectile dysfunction? In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the causes, science, and natural healing approaches for erectile dysfunction. Join us as we explore effective remedies backed by scientific evidence and time-honored natural wisdom. What is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction, sometimes called impotence, is the persistent inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for satisfying sexual intercourse. It affects men of all ages, but it becomes more common with age. However, ED is not just a sexual issue, it often reflects deeper health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, or hormonal imbalances. The science of erections: for an erection to occur, 4 systems must work in harmony. Nervous system: brain signals trigger arousal, sending impulses to penile nerves. Vascular system: nitric oxide is released, relaxing blood vessel walls and allowing blood to rush into the penis. Muscular system: smooth muscles relax while veins compress to trap blood and maintain rigidity. Hormonal system: testosterone regulates libido and supports the erectile process. Any breakdown in nerves, blood flow, hormones, or psychological balance can lead to ED. Main causes of erectile dysfunction. Of physical causes: cardiovascular disease, narrowed or hardened arteries. Diabetes damages blood vessels and nerves. High blood pressure weakens vascular flexibility. Hormonal imbalances: low testosterone, thyroid issues, neurological problems, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, spinal injury. Medications: antidepressants, antihypertensives, antihistamines. Obesity and poor circulation from inactivity. B. Psychological causes: performance anxiety, depression, and chronic stress. Relationship conflicts. C. Lifestyle causes: smoking and alcohol, poor diet, high in processed meat, dairy, fried foods, sugar. Sedentary lifestyle, poor sleep patterns. Risk factors: age especially after 40, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Chronic stress and sleep deprivation, excessive animal-based diet, saturated fats, cholesterol, smoking, and alcohol. Symptoms: difficulty achieving an erection, difficulty maintaining an erection, low sexual desire, emotional distress linked to intimacy. The hidden dangers of ED. Erectile dysfunction is often a warning sign of broader health concerns. It can be an early predictor of heart disease, since penile arteries are narrower and show blockages earlier. It may indicate insulin resistance or developing diabetes. It is linked to hormonal decline in testosterone. Natural and lifestyle remedies. Before considering medication, lifestyle modification and natural healing approaches should be prioritized. A. Nutrition. Adopt a whole food plant-based WFPB diet. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Foods that boost circulation. Beets, watermelon, spinach, pomegranate, garlic, ginger, dark berries. Avoid processed meats, fried foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat dairy. B. Water therapy. Drink 2 to 3 liters of clean water daily to support circulation and detoxification. Alternate warm and cold sitz baths to stimulate blood flow in pelvic vessels. Warm showers before intimacy help relax blood vessels. 100 physical activity. Aerobic exercise, walking, running, cycling, improves vascular health. Strength training boosts testosterone naturally. Kegel exercises strengthen pelvic floor muscles and improve control. D. Stress management. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Manage relationship conflicts with open communication. E. Natural supplements, evidence supported. L-arginine enhances nitric oxide production. Korean red ginseng improves stamina and circulation. Maca root boosts libido and energy. Ashwagandha reduces stress and balances hormones. Zinc and vitamin D support testosterone and sperm health. Healing herbs and functional foods. In addition to general nutrition, Several herbs and natural foods have been traditionally used to improve vitality, circulation, and sexual performance. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, reduces stress, supports testosterone, and enhances stamina. Mkombero mandiowaiti, African ginger, a traditional African aphrodisiac that boosts libido, energy, and blood circulation. Avocado, rich in healthy fats, potassium, and vitamin E, improves heart health and hormone balance. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, high in zinc and magnesium, essential for testosterone production. Soy milk and legumes, plant-based proteins that support hormonal balance and reduce cholesterol. Improving blood vessel health. Garlic and ginger, natural vasodilators that improve blood circulation and reduce vascular stiffness. Pomegranate juice, powerful antioxidant that improves nitric oxide activity and penile blood flow. Beetroot, high in nitrates, boosts nitric oxide and enhances endurance. These herbs and foods, combined with lifestyle improvements, create a powerful foundation for natural healing. Prevention strategies. Eat a plant-centered diet, minimizing animal products. Exercise daily at least 30 minutes. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Manage weight and blood pressure. Get regular medical checkups for cardiovascular and hormonal health. Key takeaway: erectile dysfunction is more than a bedroom issue. It is a mirror of overall health. For younger men, it is often psychological or lifestyle related. For older men, it signals circulation, metabolic, or hormonal issues. By nourishing the body with plant-rich foods, healing herbs, seeds, and roots, staying active, managing stress, and using natural remedies, most men can improve or even reverse ED without long-term dependence on medication. If you found this information helpful, please like and share for more health insights. Stay healthy and vital.